This is Justine, and this is about conditional frequencies on two-way frequency tables. We've talked about joint frequency, we've talked about marginal frequency. So if you don't remember what those are, please go back and watch that video. So conditional frequency is our joint frequency over our marginal frequency. So here we're giving, remember, these are our joint frequencies, right? And our marginals are our totals. We don't have these, but I'll soon give them. So let's do our middle school. 12 plus 20 plus 16 is 48. So our total here is 48. This total, 8 plus 24 plus 20, is 52. So doing our totals here, total, we're going to have to add these. And if your table that you're given doesn't have it, just add them. So my total for sandwiches is 12 plus 8, which is 20%. 20 plus 24, which is 44%. 16 plus 20, which is 36%. And if we add all of this together, it gives us 100%. So that is our total. So since our conditional frequency is joint over marginal, we have to look at what it's telling us. It says given a middle school student. So it's given that it's a middle school student. So we are only looking at middle school students. So we're only looking right here at this column. We don't care about these totals over here. We're only looking at our middle school student total, which is 48. And that's our marginal frequency because it's in the margin. It's our total. So 48. Then we're looking at conditional frequency that like to eat a sandwich. So we're looking at the sandwiches. So sandwiches are right here, 12%. That's our joint frequency. So we're going to do that. And then we change it to a percent. 12 divided by 48 is 0.25. Change that to a percent is 25%. So our conditional frequency, we find the joint frequency over the marginal frequency. You have to make sure you're picking the right marginal because some people might do 12 over 20, but that's given that it's a sandwich, not given that it's a middle school student. Given that it's a middle school student, our marginal is going to be the total of middle school students. So you have to determine that. Okay, so make sure you're careful and you're thinking about what is the marginal one that I'm using. Thank you for listening.